Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
We are trying to work on quoting these pocket frames for you, and I had a few more questions. I just want to make sure that we get you what you need.
Indeed.
All right, so these are all existing openings, and I'm curious, is the hardware track already installed in these existing openings? Or are you going in with all new track and new doors and everything?
The answer is that it's already installed.
And so if it's already in there, is it basically up in the header inside the wall above the door opening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then you're truly casing these openings out with some hollow metal pieces, right?
That's exactly correct.
Okay, so our header will have to be split jamb profile similar to the pocket side, on the jamb, in order for you to access the track at the header. And so we're curious then how you would anchor these. They're just going to be loose pieces of stick material basically, and I mean we can do something at the corner to assemble the corner, but the 3/4 inch wood pieces that are on your drawing, is that going to be new material, or is that something you're going to anchor those pieces to by screw applying them?
We're going to have to screw apply these loose pieces.
Okay, like through the face or through the the inside of the opening?
Yeah, I would think that through the inside of the opening is how we'd want to proceed with that.
Okay. And do you want to just do all your own holes for that?
Let's quote it that way, so that because I really can't see doing it any other way.
Right. Okay. So yeah, that way when they install them in the field, they can screw them where they need them to be.
Right.
Wherever they want to put the screws in. Okay, I was just curious because when you have those loose pieces, what's really holding the frame together, and if you're anchoring it to those wood jamb pieces, that should definitely help.
Indeed.
Right. Okay, that's kind of what we were after. We just didn't know for sure how this frame was going to go together, and if there being 55 of them, we want to make sure we price them right for you. So.
Indeed. Sorry about that.
Very good. Hey, no worries. We'll get this over to you in a little bit.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.